The credit score mistake. Millions of people are making right now. Your credit score is one of the most powerful numbers in your financial life. It determines whether you get approved for a mortgage, what interest rate you pay on a car loan, and sometimes even whether you get a job offer. And yet most people are making at least one mistake right now that is quietly dragging their score down without them even knowing it. Welcome to Fuel Your Wealth. Let me walk you through the most common credit score mistakes and exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1 is high credit utilization. This is the single biggest mistake I see, and it affects more people than any other factor. Credit utilization is the percentage of your available credit that you are currently using. If you have a credit card with a $5,000 limit and you carry a $3,000 balance, your utilization is 60%. Most credit experts recommend keeping utilization below 30%. Under 10% is even better. High utilization signals to lenders that you may be financially stretched, and it can lower your score by 50 to 100 points or more. The fix is straightforward. Pay down balances before your statement closing date, not just before the due date. Your balance gets reported to credit bureaus on the closing date. Paying it down before that date is what actually improves your score. Mistake number 2 is never checking your credit report for errors. Studies historically show that a significant portion of credit reports contain errors. Wrong account information, accounts that are not yours, balances reported incorrectly, late payments that were actually on time. These errors can cost you points you did not earn. You are entitled to one free credit report from each bureau every year at annualcreditreport.com. Check it. Dispute any errors you find directly with the bureau. Mistake number 3 is closing old credit cards. When you close an old credit card, you reduce your total available credit, which increases your utilization ratio. You also shorten your average account age, which accounts for 15% of your credit score. If you are not using an old card, consider keeping it open with a small recurring charge on it to keep the account active. A streaming subscription on an old card you never use otherwise can preserve years of credit history. Mistake number 4 is applying for too much new credit at once. Every time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is added to your report. 1 or 2 inquiries per year have minimal impact, but multiple applications in a short period can signal desperation to lenders and drop your score noticeably. Space out credit applications and only apply when you actually need the credit. Mistake number 5 is missing payments. Payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO score. It is the single largest factor. One missed payment can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. The fix is simple but requires discipline. Set up auto pay for at least the minimum payment on every account. Never rely on memory alone. Your credit score is not fixed. Every one of these mistakes is reversible. People improve their scores by 50 to 100 points within 6 to 12 months by addressing these issues consistently. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions.